Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the 5G connection on this device. To enable or disable 5G, you need to open settings and scroll up. Then find your mobile service, and here you will see your SIM cards. And then you need to enable the mobile data, of course, and find the SIM you want to change the connection type. Here in the Plus or in the T-Mobile, in AT&T, I don't know which operator you have, you need to scroll down and find your voice and data, and here choose LTE, 5G or 5G Auto, and here you can see description for any of these modes. For example, 5G Auto use 5G only when need for performance while optimizing battery life. 5G On use 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. 5G may impact battery life and reliability of some voice calls and data. So enable the feature you want, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.